Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you might be. Welcome to week 8, I believe it is. And this is Coffee's weekly update. You'll notice that some of the pages have changed. Some are missing a lot of stuff, and the reason for that is I did rebuild the pages. I discovered that those nice people at Bootstrap have given us a new version, but they didn't make it backwards compatible. So I had to rebuild. Fortunately, everything is saved on the cloud, and everything is back. I'm just doing this slowly. And the nice thing also is that all the files are still there, so I'm building my own CSS so that everything stays uniform. I also found through research that if I wanted to do the same font on everything, I would either have to do it on Photoshop or just realize that not everything is going to look the same on every one. So I've chosen just to build my own CSS files, and which way they show up on which browser is okay as long as they show up and they make all the sense. One thing I also did add, as you can see here, is a disclaimer, which I will put my fair use copyright, because I may be using copyrighted images, and I will do every effort to give them a recognition. But under fair use, since this is for educational purposes, I will be using it. And by the time you see this, we will be online, and I will email you the online address. So you may get one of these two first. Otherwise, we are right on track. All my classes for the database are built. The DB Contacts is coming up today, and then once I put it on, we will have it all set up for the SQL Online, and we should start at least basic registration this weekend. Otherwise, I will definitely be at Thursday, and I will talk to you Thursday. So, thank you again for this weekly of Coffee.